this is Mahima Singh, legal advisor at Lexis and Company, and today we'll talk about certain case laws regarding 300 IPC. Okay, now this is not a new piece of legislation, it dates back to the British era. Okay, in the case of R versus Latimer, 1886, a person got into a fight, and in course of the fight, to beat the man, he took out his belt and struck the belt, but it rebounded and hit a lady. She was grievously injured. The court held the defendant is to be held liable for the injuries inflicted on the woman, ignoring the fact that he had no intention to harm her. The mens rea has transferred to the woman from the man he was going to hit with his belt. Now, the other case laws is Rajbir Singh versus State of UP. The piece of legislation is so confusing that the courts tend to forget that the type of law even exists. It is evidence from the case. Here in the Supreme Court, thrashing on the Allahabad High Court for not considering section 301 of the Indian Penal Code in the present case. Now इस केस में हुआ क्या था ये देखते हैं. द सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो हाई कोर्ट इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट का जो जजमेंट था उसको थ्रैश करते हुए ये बोला, इन दिस केस अ गर्ल डाइड ऑफ अ बुलेट विच वॉज fired on another person. The High Court stated in its decision that there was mistake involved, that there was no intention of the accused to kill the girl. The Supreme Court held that the intention of accused should be ignored in the present case. The court also held that the Allahabad High Court's reasoning behind stating that the act as an accident is not to be sustained as their reasoning was erroneous. Ultimately, he was held liable for his actions. Thank you so much. See you in the next informative videos.